Suzuki has taken a bold step into the future of mobility with the introduction of the brand new e-Vitara. This is not just another crossover, it's a fully electric SUV designed to bring the best of innovation, efficiency, and style into one cohesive package. As the global auto market rapidly shifts toward electrification, Suzuki is proving that it can compete head-to-head with other major players, and the e-Vitara stands as a shining example of that ambition. This vehicle is about more than transportation, it's about creating a modern lifestyle statement. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. The e-Vitara carries forward the recognizable Vitara DNA but with a modern electric twist. The front fascia is striking, dominated by a bold new grille design that incorporates sleek accents and a prominent Suzuki logo. The LED headlights are sharper and more futuristic, offering not only aesthetic appeal but also excellent visibility in all conditions. The bumper is sculpted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, giving the SUV a dynamic stance even while parked. From the side, the SUV maintains a sporty silhouette with clean lines and strong proportions. Large alloy wheels add muscle, while the option of dual-tone paint schemes, such as pearl white with a black roof or metallic blue with silver accents, makes it stand out even more. Every angle of this vehicle has been carefully designed to appeal to the modern, tech-savvy consumer. Step inside and you'll immediately notice that the interior has been crafted with both comfort and technology in mind. The cabin feels premium yet functional. The highlight is the digital instrument cluster, which displays key information like battery percentage, real-time range, driving modes, and navigation guidance in crisp clarity. At the center, a large touchscreen infotainment system provides seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring drivers stay connected no matter where they go. The interface is user-friendly, responsive, and loaded with useful features including navigation, media streaming, and vehicle settings. The seats are another strong point. Suzuki has clearly paid attention to ergonomics. The driver and front passenger seats are both heated and ventilated, offering year-round comfort whether in summer or winter. High-quality leather upholstery gives the cabin a sense of luxury that many mid-size crossovers fail to match. Rear passengers also get plenty of legroom and headroom, making long journeys more enjoyable. The flat floor, a result of its EV platform, adds to the spacious feel, and the rear seats fold down easily to increase cargo capacity when needed. For families or frequent travelers, this makes the e-Vitara not just stylish but also practical. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, lies the beating heart of the e-Vitara, its advanced battery system. Suzuki has equipped the SUV with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that delivers an impressive driving range on a single charge. While exact numbers may vary depending on market and conditions, Suzuki promises that the e-Vitara will easily cover the daily needs of urban commuters while also being capable of longer weekend road trips. The inclusion of fast charging capability means you can regain a significant amount of range in under an hour, a feature that adds convenience for busy lifestyles. For home charging, a standard wall box charger ensures overnight charging is effortless. Performance-wise, the e-Vitara surprises in the best way. The electric motor delivers instant torque, giving the SUV brisk acceleration from a standstill. Driving in city conditions feels smooth and effortless, while highway performance remains confident and composed. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, enhances handling and stability, ensuring the SUV feels planted around corners. Suzuki has also included multiple drive modes such as Eco, Normal, and Sport, allowing drivers to tailor the experience to their preferences. Eco mode prioritizes efficiency, Sport mode unlocks maximum performance, and Normal strikes a balance between the two. Safety is another key area where the e-Vitara shines. Suzuki has equipped the vehicle with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. These technologies not only protect passengers but also make driving less stressful in congested or high-speed environments. Additionally, the strong body structure, multiple airbags, and electronic stability control ensure the e-Vitara meets the highest safety standards. Beyond the hardware, Suzuki has also thought about the ownership experience. The e-Vitara comes with a companion mobile app that allows owners to remotely monitor battery levels, precondition the cabin temperature, and even schedule charging during off-peak hours to save on electricity costs. Over-the-air updates keep the software fresh, ensuring the SUV stays current with the latest improvements and features. Environmental responsibility is at the core of the e-Vitara's design. By going all-electric, Suzuki aims to significantly reduce carbon emissions associated with daily driving. The materials used inside the cabin also include sustainable and recycled elements, aligning with global eco-friendly trends. For customers who want to enjoy the convenience of modern motoring while also caring for the planet, the e-Vitara makes a strong case. The e-Vitara is also about versatility. Whether you are a young professional living in the city, a family seeking a practical yet stylish vehicle, or an adventurer looking for an SUV that can handle different terrains, the e-Vitara adapts beautifully. Its ground clearance is sufficient for mild off-road conditions, and optional all-wheel drive variants make it even more capable in challenging weather. Suzuki understands that buyers want not only a capable vehicle but also something that reflects their identity. That's why the e-Vitara comes in a wide palette of vibrant colors, from sophisticated shades like graphite gray and midnight black to bold options like radiant red or electric blue. This allows customers to personalize their SUV in a way that truly feels like an extension of their personality. In short, the first impression of the Suzuki e-Vitara is overwhelmingly positive. It feels like a well-rounded package that doesn't compromise on style, comfort, performance, or practicality. This SUV captures what the future of driving should look like: eco-friendly, technologically advanced, safe, and enjoyable. And this is only the beginning. Picking up where we left off, the Suzuki e-Vitara is more than just a stylish crossover, it represents a bold reimagining of what an affordable yet premium electric SUV can be. Having looked at the design, interior, and performance, let's dive deeper into the details that truly make this SUV special and why it's expected to become a game-changer in Suzuki's global lineup. One of the most remarkable aspects of the e-Vitara is how well it balances practicality with innovation. Many electric vehicles either go all out on futuristic features but compromise on usability, or they keep things simple but fail to excite the modern buyer. The e-Vitara, however, finds that sweet spot. The driving experience is refined yet engaging, and the cabin has been laid out with real-world convenience in mind. For instance, Suzuki has maximized cabin storage with clever compartments, cup holders, and charging ports positioned thoughtfully. There's even a wireless charging pad integrated into the center console, ensuring your devices stay powered throughout your journey. Cargo space is another area where Suzuki has delivered. With the rear seats upright, the trunk is generous enough for daily errands and grocery runs. Fold the rear seats flat, and you suddenly have enough room to load luggage for a weekend getaway, sports equipment, or even larger household items. Thanks to the EV platform, the boot is designed in a way that minimizes intrusions, giving it a flat and usable shape. Families will particularly appreciate how practical this setup is. Another feature worth highlighting is the sound insulation. Suzuki has engineered the e-Vitara to be incredibly quiet on the road, taking full advantage of its electric drivetrain. Road noise and wind noise are kept to a minimum, creating a calm and serene atmosphere in the cabin. This not only makes long-distance travel less tiring but also adds to the sense of premium quality. Driving dynamics deserve further attention too. While the instant torque of the electric motor makes acceleration exciting, Suzuki has also fine-tuned the suspension for comfort and control. The e-Vitara glides smoothly over bumps and uneven roads, absorbing imperfections with ease. At the same time, it feels agile and responsive when navigating tight city streets or winding rural roads. The steering is precise and confidence-inspiring, striking the right balance between lightness for city use and weightiness for highway stability. Suzuki's experience in building compact SUVs really shows here, as they've managed to maintain that classic Vitara fun-to-drive nature in this new electric form. Charging infrastructure is often a concern for potential EV buyers, but Suzuki has addressed this by ensuring the e-Vitara supports multiple charging options. Fast charging stations can provide up to 80% battery capacity in less than an hour, while a home wall box charger can fully replenish the battery overnight. This flexibility means owners can choose whichever charging solution suits their lifestyle best. Furthermore, the vehicle's regenerative braking system cleverly recaptures energy during deceleration, adding extra kilometers to your range and reducing the need for frequent charging. From a technological standpoint, the e-Vitara is loaded with intelligent systems. The infotainment screen doubles as a hub for energy management, showing drivers exactly how their driving habits affect efficiency. Graphs and live updates make it easy to understand how much power is being consumed and how much range remains. There's also the option to select different levels of regenerative braking, allowing the driver to choose between a coasting feel or stronger regenerative force for near one-pedal driving. Connectivity features don't stop at the infotainment system. Suzuki's companion smartphone app provides remote access to the vehicle. You can check the battery level, start climate control before stepping inside, locate the car in a crowded parking lot, or receive alerts about maintenance schedules. For tech enthusiasts, this integration adds a whole new layer of convenience and peace of mind. Suzuki has also looked at future-proofing the e-Vitara with over-the-air software updates. This means that even years down the line, the SUV can receive new features, improvements to range management, or upgraded driver assist systems without requiring a trip to the dealership. For buyers, this ensures that their investment continues to improve over time rather than becoming outdated. In terms of safety, we already mentioned some of the advanced systems earlier, but it's worth noting how comprehensive they truly are. The adaptive cruise control maintains safe distances in traffic, while lane keeping assist gently guides the vehicle if you start to drift. Automatic emergency braking can detect both vehicles and pedestrians, reducing the likelihood of collisions. Meanwhile, the 360-degree camera system provides an all-around view when parking, making tight spots much easier to navigate. These technologies combine to give drivers and passengers complete confidence on every journey. The e-Vitara is also surprisingly versatile for an EV. With available all-wheel drive, it's capable of handling snow, rain, gravel, and even mild off-road conditions. Suzuki has always had a reputation for building rugged, dependable vehicles, and they've made sure not to lose that heritage here. Whether it's a family camping trip, a weekend adventure into the mountains, or just daily commuting in unpredictable weather, the e-Vitara proves it can adapt to a wide range of lifestyles. Of course, let's talk about cost effectiveness. While exact pricing may vary by market, Suzuki has positioned the e-Vitara as an affordable entry point into the electric SUV segment. Lower running costs, government incentives in many regions, and reduced maintenance needs compared to traditional combustion vehicles all make the e-Vitara an attractive financial choice. The savings on fuel alone over the years can be significant, not to mention the satisfaction of driving a zero-emission vehicle. And then there's the emotional side of ownership. Driving the e-Vitara is not just about going from point A to point B. It's about enjoying the quiet smoothness of electric driving, appreciating the thoughtful design, and feeling a part of the future of mobility. The car feels modern without being intimidating, futuristic without losing the practicality Suzuki vehicles are known for. It's a vehicle designed for people who want to enjoy the best of both worlds, tradition and innovation. To sum it all up, the Suzuki e-Vitara embodies everything an electric SUV should be. It's stylish, comfortable, efficient, safe, and surprisingly fun to drive. It offers cutting-edge technology while remaining approachable and practical. Whether you look at it as a daily commuter, a family SUV, or an adventure companion, it fits the bill perfectly. Suzuki has clearly taken its time to study what customers want in an EV and has delivered a product that doesn't just meet expectations but exceeds them. For buyers who have been waiting for an electric SUV that combines affordability, reliability, and excitement, the e-Vitara might just be the perfect choice. And as always, if you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to subscribe and support my YouTube channel Auto Verdict, where we bring you detailed insights into the latest cars shaping the future of driving.